ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shop, made a
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahara Bryant. For those of you who are new, for those of you who have been watching and liking and subscribing, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah! Like, it'd be the milestones that'd be like so huge to me. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers, and I hope you guys continue to stick with me through this journey. So I thought it would be cute to do a Vlogmas dump truck edition. So I'm headed to the truck right now. It is cold out here, as y'all could probably tell from the background. But yeah, I'm headed to the truck right now, and I will continue the video when I get there and start the truck up and everything. Okay, y'all, so I just got to the trucks. Somebody had commented and said they wanted to see the truck, so that's truck number 1. That's my first Mac. That's truck number 2. That's the Volvo. How you doing? I've been good. They had me on the city farm job, and then they had me on asphalt. Yeah. That's truck number 3. So yeah, those are the 3 trucks, and today I'm gonna be driving the Volvo. So I guess let me start it up. So this one is the one I'm gonna be in today. So I cranked it up, turned the defrost on because it's cold. The windows is iced over. Like, look at my hat. Isn't it so cute? It's sequins, and it has like the red and then the green. So my first stop is Lowe's. Today I am doing asphalt. So I need a new sprayer bottle so I can spray my bed down with diesel. And for those of you who don't know, diesel just makes the asphalt come out, like slide out real smooth and easy, so it doesn't get stuck in your bed. So I will continue the video when I get to Lowe's. So I literally gotta be in and out. I'm looking for the spray bottles. I think I usually go to Home Depot for them. I think I'm gonna get
got some holes.
the Roundup one, and we'll see how good that lasts. I got it, and I think that was less than 5 minutes, so I did good on time. And now I'm about to take my behind to work. Okay, I think I did so good on time. All right, I'm kind of hot now. I was rushing. Okay, time to go. So when I'm empty, I start off in second and then work my way up. But when I'm loaded, I start off in either first or low. Low when the load is too heavy. Usually I can get away with starting off in first, but if the load is like a little bit too heavy, or if I'm about to climb a hill, of course, then I'll have to start off in low. Do y'all do the same thing? Oh wow. Yeah, it's a lot of trucks. A lot of trucks. right, y'all, I just got here to the asphalt plant. I just parked, so I'm gonna go ahead and clock in real quick. Okay guys, so instead of asphalt, they're having us haul loads of sand for now because their asphalt machine is down. So while they're working on the equipment, we're going to be hauling loads of sand from one plant back to that plant that we were just sitting at until they get the asphalt machine going. I don't know if they'll even get it going today, but I guess we'll see when I get back. Okay, y'all, I just stopped to get a quick bite to eat, and I stopped at Wendy's. So I'm getting out the truck and I'm hungry. I've been sitting there all morning just hungry. Food. Y'all, I'm so hungry. And y'all know I love to eat. I got the ghost pepper ranch chicken sandwich combo. Whew. It's about to be lit. Okay, I got my food, but I don't get to eat it yet. I am going to wait until we get there to eat it. While we're waiting to get loaded. Alright y'all, so I just got loaded and I'm getting on the scale now. I also just ate my food. Oh, okay. 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 So dump it on. So dump just some off? Yeah. Is it gonna get in the way of my tailgate? Go like that. Okay. Okay, I'll try. Okay. So he said I'm like 1.5 tons over. So I'm about to dump some off. Usually we dump it all off and then they reload us. But I told him I'll try to just dump some off. So yeah, about 1.5 tons. And I just hope it doesn't get in the way of my tailgate when I close it again. I always get overloaded. So right now I'm taking my tarp back off before I raise my bed up to try to dump some of it off. Let's see how this goes. gonna go clean I'm gonna go clean my chute with my shovel so I can lock my tailgate back. Whew, okay, found some work. Let's see what they say now. They always overloading me. They always doing that. So annoying. Okay, anyway, I'm about to head back to the other plant to dump the sand. And then he said to check and see if the asphalt machine is up and running now. So I'm gonna head back there and check, and I will check back in with y'all later. Alright y'all, so I am back at the plant. I just dumped my load. Let me roll this window up so y'all can hear me. I just dumped my load. I wouldn't let y'all see me dump, but it was just so hectic that I forgot to record, and I was trying to figure out where they wanted it dumped. So I'm sorry about that, but now I guess I gotta see if the asphalt machine is back up and running, and if not, we'll just be sitting here waiting. And it's like a line of us waiting, so yeah. Yeah, guys, it's a whole line of trucks waiting to get loaded. Let me show y'all. So it's all these trucks waiting, and some of them up there too that's backed in right there are waiting. There's one guy next to me, so there's a lot of people waiting in line, and there's one guy after me. So yeah, guys, I guess we're gonna just sit here and see whether or not they get the machine up and running. And yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap this up. There's not much more to show for now. I'm sure we're going to be sitting here for a while. Thank you guys so much for watching and for subscribing and commenting and engaging. I really appreciate all the love and support. Happy holidays to you all, and I will see you guys next time.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off, so she still get